Stay tuned to find out how you can help your fellow drone flyer.
Geeksvana is your drone channel, providing news, reviews, flights, interviews, and much more.
Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we are bringing you an update on the Jason Harrison case, where a drone coalition is taking their local county to court to fight for their rights to fly drones in the park system. The thousands of you who watched our last video will remember that this situation came about from an altercation Jason had with local parks police, which resulted in his arrest and temporary detainment. Subsequently, the local county passed an ordinance to ban the flight of drones in the park system, which itself is against the drone laws established at state level. To find out more about this story itself, there's a link in the description to our original video. The Michigan Drone Coalition was formed to stand up for the rights of drone flyers and in order to take legal action against the county. Their objective is not financial compensation, but merely to gain enforcement of a statewide law preventing local authorities from imposing their own drone rules. The hearing was due to be heard today, August the 26th. However, it appears that justice in this particular case is going to take a little longer. Jason recorded a short message to update you all on the situation.
Good morning and thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you a quick update on our drone case with Genesee County. So we were supposed to have our first hearing tomorrow. However, it's been postponed due to some procedural hurdles. And my understanding of these things is that when the law is on your side, you argue the law. And when the law is not on your side, you create procedural hurdles. So that's kind of where we're at. The positive thing is we did get to read their response to our complaint, and their argument does not hold water. Essentially, it comes down to this. The drone preemption statute in Michigan says, except as expressly authorized by statute, municipalities can't regulate drones. And their argument is that as a park, they have general authority to regulate what happens at a park, that general authority is their express authority to regulate unmanned aircraft. And that argument doesn't hold water. It's been tried by several municipalities in the past for preemption involving things other than drones, and it always falls flat. So that's good news there. As soon as I know something about our next, know the date for our next hearing, I will go ahead and share that with you. Thanks for watching.
So there we have it. It really is a shame that the case has been postponed. The droning community as a whole needs a few wins at the moment. After discussion with Jason, there is something you can do to show support. In the description, you will find the email address for both the Chief of Park Police and the relevant county commissioner. Jason asks for as many droners from around the world to send an email to show support of the Michigan Drone Coalition. Although it will not directly impact the legal situation, it will show the authorities that the story is under scrutiny of the wider drone community, and hopefully prompt them to at least give Jason and his group their day in court. As mentioned by Jason in his message, we will of course keep you fully informed of any developments in this case.
Please remember to like and subscribe.